Hi, I'm Robin Waldorf with TP-Link, and we are here at CIX. And at this show, we are showing brand new bridge kits, Wi-Fi bridge kits. So you want to extend the distance of your network, and you don't have the ability to put cables out or extend cables that far. We have three different varieties of our bridge kit, and it really is distance and speed. So we have the 115, which is perfect for a very small connection. So say I want to go from a residence to a pool house, or I want to go from a harbor master dock to my yacht or whatever I might have. This might be a really good solution to do that because they work in pairs. And when they work in pairs, they also are out of the box self-configured. So what that means is you will see LEDs on the side of our product, and these LEDs will show you the signal strength. So right out of the box, all you need to do is put one on one location, one on the other location, where you want to go. Your distances can go anywhere from half a mile to 3 miles, and you just pick the bridge kit that supports that distance. Pole mount it. You can also wall mount these with an external wall mount bracket. They are Ethernet connected, so you might have Ethernet connection at your residence as an example, and your pool house may not have an Ethernet connection. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect the Ethernet port. It's power over Ethernet, so you just get a power over Ethernet switch. We make lots of varieties. You connect that to the bridge, you connect your Ethernet port, that's to your network, to your home network or your business network, and then mount this, and then you mount the second one where you want it, let's say at the pool house, and they will self-pair them. So they will immediately establish an Ethernet connection between the two devices. So now what you can do, say this one's at the pool house, and I have multiple devices there that I want to network. So I have some additional ports, as you were just shown through the video, some additional ports I can connect IPTV. I might have a security camera there. I might also have another router or some kind of switches. I might have a gaming router. All of this is done through the Omada bridge kits. One of the biggest benefits of using the Omada bridge or Omada product, it's Omada by TP-Link, is that we have a software program that allows you to manage all of these devices under one single pane of glass. So if you'd like, you not only have our bridge kits, but you might want to put access points in your home or your business. You need Ethernet switching, you want to manage the ports on those switches, manage what ports do power over Ethernet. You can do that all through the Omada software. It's not only a hardware-based controller, we also have a software-based controller, which is no charge. So you can automatically start managing your network without having to pay a license fee. And if you want to even expand beyond that and your network gets very large, you can actually do a hardware controller. You can put it in your business or your home, or you can do a cloud-based controller. And that's a very inexpensive license fee per device, and everything's done in the cloud, zero touch. So that's our Omada bridge kits.